Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got an update here for TSLA. TSLA is set up to test 350 to 360 to squeeze more shorts. Once again, that's right, people. Especially the high flyer stock clown. Yeah, that's right, people. The December 01 330 calls are great to use. That's right, people. You want to use December 01 now, okay? Now, I'm going to explain some facts. So here's December 01. You can see 1.5K. You can see lots of, they're starting to really trade very well. And you want to go to December 1, okay? There's a high probability that if we can confirm, this stock is choppy. Sometimes it requires trading. We had to do a couple of trading, but you know what? From this last plan I had, didn't this go higher? Look, from this point to this point, huge gains were made. 200% gains on my last option plan. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to be smooth. However, listen to we're going to see how it goes, okay? So we're going to talk about the two new points here I want to talk about. So Tesla needs to, I will explain inside the video. That's right, people. Tesla needs to break above right now as it stands 320. That's right. We get above 320 though. We want good action volume. 600K on a 10-minute chart. Zoom. Enter with the December 01 calls. Okay. Now the stock, you got to understand one thing about the stock. You need a 5-point swing on this sucker. Okay. So the one thing about this stock is you could be against you 50% on your options. Okay. You got to know how to manage yourself. But if anybody knew, if you know that this went against, probably could have went against 40% of the options and turned out to make 200% gains the next day on that gap up. Okay. Now this is better set up, a lot of statistical measurement, but there's some key pivotal points. So if, for example, if we break above 320 and not great, and it's not good action volume, then what's going to be? It's got a base above the 320, and we look for power towards 325. So it'll be between that 320 to 325 zone. Now, if I need to make some updates, I will. But as it stands, minimum we want to engage with December 01 calls. Good high odds these are going to make great money. The stock is going to be much higher. We may get to the low. Even if we get to the low, listen. If we get to this lowest thing, which is easy, you think this stock does not take long to get to targets 350. I tell you one thing: if we can break out properly, right, you might have to take a couple of hits with this one. Entry. We'll see how it goes. But that's what I'm watching now, between that 320 to 325 area, right? For all you know, the stock wants to confirm. You have to hold it over the holiday, and then all of a sudden, boom, it goes. Or you wait until the volume comes. Again, there are those areas, right? So we got the 320, 325, 330 area, right? So we'll see how the volume comes in, right? You want strong volume. Just getting above 320, that's a good sign, but it may need to base around. So we want that volume coming in, but this stock pays you. Don't forget, when you make 100% gains in your options, don't forget to take some, hold some runners in case there's some pullbacks, and look for key support levels. 320 being a support level, 325 being a support level. You know what I'm saying? Let's say when it goes higher, right? So keep that in mind. Again, I will be making more updates. But this stock here has been a great, fantastic winner for us with many option trades making money. There was one that didn't make money, but more often than not, we've been making great gains in TSLA. I like the stock a lot. Its setup is great. It's a matter of the pivot point, right? Because there are a few pivot points here. Pivot point 1, 320. Pivot point 2, 325. Pivot point 3, 330. Okay? And then again, it depends on the action and everything like that, right? We didn't. One thing is the stock never pulled back. I was hoping for a pullback near the 301 area. We never received that, right? See, the big picture, you want to have a big picture mind. A big picture mind is a billionaire mind. Billionaires have big picture minds, people, okay? Scalpers are small-minded people, don't know anything about making big money. They just have low, poor skills, right? Billionaires want to make big money. Now, some billionaires lose money in a big manner, very quickly. You need people with strong skill sets. This is the key to successful in the majority of the people out there. So, let's see what I say. Alright, people, welcome to Power Target Trades. As you can see here, confirmation is key. We make a lot of great plans, right? NVIDIA is something that we're watching. Still has to confirm. We watch for confirmation, okay, people? Created playlist. This is the most powerful thing ever created. Nobody has made videos from start. I mean, I took a lot of time to do this, from beginning of a plan, I mean before the move, as it's confirming, and end result. Powerful, detailed videos unlike anything you've ever seen before. Anything. Great study. Take the time to study. Study, study, study. Confirmation is key. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I do live streams. I answer questions. I talk about things. I made a live stream last week calling for a higher market, like what we're seeing right now, showing that the market, everyone, ooh, it's pulled back. Ooh! Power trade, correct again. Billionaire mind, power trade, people. All right, people. That's the fact. Sorry the thing, but it's true. Billionaire mind. Billionaire. Alright, people, now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my created playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on power target trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions, and I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video!